Hello, good morning, students. We have seen about the oscillations. Okay, so what is oscillations? Then when it completes, after that we have seen its differential equation. So the next article is SHM as a projection of U.C.M along any diameter. See here, a particle is performing uniform circular motion along the circumference of a circle having diameter AB and CD. Okay, and its radius is supposed to be A. So see, in this exam, so let us see in this diagram which things are given to us. So in this diagram, small a stands for what? Radius of circle. So small a stands for what? Small a that is radius of circle. Then AB and CD both are diameters. AB and CD both are diameters of circle. Now one particle, suppose one particle is here and it is performing uniform circular motion. Okay, so while it is performing uniform circular motion, so its angular velocity supposed to be omega. So omega is the angular velocity while it is performing UCM along the circumference of circle. So where omega stands for what? Angular velocity. Now suppose we draw a perpendicular, that is PM, on diameter AB. So that's why here, so draw PM perpendicular to AB. Now this OM, that is the displacement, where OM, that is the displacement, and the notation for displacement is X. Suppose the particle starts its motion from P naught. So when the particle starts from its motion, when a particle starts from point P naught at an angle DOP naught, DOP naught is equal to alpha. So alpha, that is the angle inclination we are considering here, and reaches at position P in a time T. So what we are considering here, just a particle is there and that particle is at point P naught. So if he starts from P naught and reach at this point P at time T, so at an angle omega T, so we are considering that an angle, that is at angle P naught OP is equal to omega T. So therefore we can write that is DOP, this angle DOP, this angle is the addition of alpha and omega T. So therefore write omega T plus alpha or alpha plus omega T. So omega T plus alpha. Now let us discuss about the displacement. Means what is the value for displacement? How we can find out the displacement here in this case? So to find the value of x, okay, we consider this triangle, that is POM. So in a triangle, POM, in triangle POM, what we consider here, this angle P, the value of sine theta, and what is theta here, that is alpha plus omega t, or we can say omega t plus alpha, omega t plus alpha. How we calculate in sine theta in this case, that is in triangle POM. So in triangle POM we can calculate sine theta is equal to opposite side, that is sine theta is equal to opposite side upon hypotenuse. So that's why we have to write here opposite side upon hypotenuse. So sine theta means sine omega t plus alpha is equal to opposite side of this angle is OM and hypotenuse is opposite side of the 90 degree, that is OP. So OM stands for what? X, and OP is nothing but it is a radius, okay, and radius is represented by here small a. So therefore we get sine omega t plus alpha is equal to OM, that is x upon a. Okay, so a stands for what here? A stands for the radius of the circle. Now what we are doing here, just we have to calculate the expression for displacement. Okay, so this is for displacement. So we have to write here for displacement. So for displacement, what is the value of x here? So the value of x will be, therefore x is equal to, this becomes a sine omega t plus alpha. Okay, so this equation is known for, that is the equation for displacement. This is the general equation for the displacement when particle performing U.C.M. Okay, so you should be remember here x is nothing but it is a displacement. So displacement is equal to a sine omega t plus alpha, means when we want to calculate the value of displacement, that is x, so at that time we have to use this concept, that is a sine omega t plus alpha. So you should remember, so this one is the displacement, this one is the displacement. So after that we will go towards velocity and acceleration. See here, three important parameters are here. One is, means we have to find out in this article, that is the value of x, that is for displacement, in the form of equation. Then we have to calculate the value of v, obviously in the form of equation, and the calculate is small a stands for here acceleration. Okay, so just you have to find these three parameters in this article. So article is SHM as a projection of U.C.M along any diameter. So SHM, that is simple harmonic motion. So in this simple harmonic motions, if particle is performing uniform circular motion along the circumference of the circle, at that time the displacement of that particle at any instant, this is the general, at any instant. Okay, so at any instant is x is equal to a sine omega t plus alpha. So this equation use at any instant. At any instant. So this is most important. So at any instant, what is the displacement of the particle? So at any instant, the displacement is x is equal to a sin omega t plus alpha. Okay. Now let us discuss about the velocity of the particle. Okay. So we will discuss in our next video velocity and accelerations. So till then, thank you.